Hello guys, welcome to PR Learning Lab. In this video, let us learn how to install Python latest version currently available in the Mac operating system. First, search in the Google Chrome, Python download, then click on downloads. When we click this button, the download process will be started. Okay, now the Python is downloaded. Now we need to install the Python. We click on continue. Again, we click on continue. Again, continue. Then we click on agree. And then finally, we click on install. We need to enter the password. Finally, install software. Now the install process is going on. So the installation process has completed. Let's close this. And let us search for the terminal. Python 3 version. By this, we can check the latest version available now. So the latest version is Python 3.13.1. As soon as the installation process of Python is completed, by default, pip and IDE would be installed in our operating system. So we can search IDE and then we can type print hello world and then enter. So this is the first and basic program or basic code for all the beginners. So finally, we have installed Python successfully and the process is completed. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe.